Hearty greetings. Hearty greetings, beloved. Yes, I love the flow, and I love how I just out of the blue we start co-creating with the energy. My session wasn't until the evening, and we got some little schedule shifting and shuffling, and here I am for you guys with my drum, with whatever is coming through for us all today. A little bit of also delay in the internet. So I've decided to do the Instagram live and the Facebook live today because I will be playing the drum. So if you were planning to join the Zoom, so please find me here on Instagram. Risha, thank you. I see you, love. I see you're here. So yes, you're live on Facebook. I'm trying to get there. It's there's a little bit of delay. I'm trying to get in there. Yeah. Yes, the live, we go live on Instagram and we go live on Facebook. 1, 2, 1. We're live and we're alive. All is great. Let's see. Yes. Yeah, we're live on Facebook. Risha, if you like the Facebook platform, and calling into our sacred space all our beloved Nerika family, all the beautiful ones who have been part of this beautiful journey with us, and we are here for you. We are here. I got the notification. The Facebook live is running. Yes, just want to check all the technical part. Sometimes when we get into that frustration mode, here we go. We're in here, all life. The more we get frustrated, the more the universe wants to show us just to breathe. The breath of life. It will just take you back into that space within and will get you centered. Welcome, welcome, beloved. I'm closing the Zoom. I think my message got across. We are live on Facebook and we are live on Instagram for today's session of the Cosmic Activation Retreat. Such a powerful timing for you and me, and for humanity, and for the great times of our ascension, for the earth, for our galactic family that has really been rejoicing for the return of the golden child, the return of this space, return to this space, return to the heart. I am Erah Light here for today's shamanic journeying into our galactic star family for the reunion with our beloved mother, father, star family in the stars, which whatever star system we carry lineage. We have expanded beyond our physicality and beyond what our mind had comprehended for so long, to come to this realization that I am a multidimensional, and I not only originated from this earthly existence. That's true, I am living here and I am experiencing here in this magnificent life and this magnificent human experience, but my ancestry goes beyond my blood lineage. My ancestry goes to the stars, goes to the Arcturian, goes to the Pleiadians, goes to the Andromedan, goes to the Lyrian, and all the galactic family that has been always here for us, assisting humanity. It's just we were not in that frequency to be able to feel them and connect with them. The more we are expanding, the more we are tapping into the heart. Actually, the journey had started by diving into the heart space. We started the journey from the mind to the higher mind, that infinite source of wisdom and compassion and unconditional love, and the seat of the higher mind, of the higher consciousness, the higher intelligence that we are all originated from. So today I will take you on a shamanic journey along with my drum into the infinite space, so you can call upon your family, your lineage, your galactic family, and receive the messages and feel the love and feel held and feel that you are not alone. You are watched over and you are held and you are loved. Tap in your heart with me as you come in into the space. Set the intention to be fully present for yourself, the entire meditation, the entire journey. Tap into your heart and listen to the wisdom of this heart. It shall show you the way, it shall lead you through the portal to leap into the multidimensional self you are, to merge with all aspects of you, collecting your fractals. Yes, collecting all your fractals in this now. Such a blessing to be here. Such a blessing to be here and to be held in this space. To be here and to be held. Kindly share love and light, as I always say, by sharing the link to our meditation to Nerika Healing page. As Nerika Healing is growing by the day, our light is attracting our tribe. I lit up the candle for us, and here I'm gonna send the sacred smoke into the container. Yes, I got my biggest smudger, as the energies that we are purging as individual and as collective is not an easy one to deal with. It requires a lot of smudging and energy cleansing, and I've been saving, it seemed that I had been saving this big smudger that I got from Mount Shasta for these special days. Sending the sacred smoke into this container unto you, calling upon your light, calling upon your highest self to be present in the space with you and for you, calling upon your angelic team to hold the space with us, Archangel Raphael from the east, Archangel Michael from the south, Archangel Gabriel from the west, and Archangel Uriel from the north, holding the horizontal grid, calling upon Archangel Sandalphon to ascend with Gaia grid, to connect our heart to the heart of Gaia in this here and now, and receive her crystalline, beautiful diamond energy into our root, traveling through our root to the heart, connecting our heart to the heart of Gaia. Calling upon Archangel Metatron to bring down the Christ grid from the heavens into our crown chakra, through our upper chakras into the heart, anchoring our heart to the heart of the universe, anchoring our heart to the heart of Gaia, calling upon each one of you, whether you are present here now or you will join a later time into our space. The energy is preserved for you. Sending the sacred smoke onto me, to this vessel. The smell of sage and Mount Shasta pine just filling my aura and filling my heart and grounding me in this moment with you, calling upon my high self, my galactic self, to take us on this journey, calling upon my beloved Shamwell, who has showed me the way to unconditional love, the gentle presence of love and peace and harmony that we all deserve, calling upon my beautiful Nerika family to join in and be present in this space, in this here and now, for yourself and for the collective. We are in this together, beloved. We are ascending beyond our limited mind, our limited belief of who we are, what we can do, and what life is all about. We are transcending all social limitation. We are transcending all karmic debt. We are transcending the suffering. We are transcending the physicality to merge with our highest aspect. We are ready. We are ready. We are ready. Visualize yourself with all the beautiful lights that you wish to be in your circle, gathered and you are surrounded by a golden shield of protection, a golden shield of healing, a golden shield of oneness, a golden shield that's grounding. This golden shield is your ally in this journey, as within this shield you can transform and manifest and shapeshift at ease. Within this shield, all of karmic debt are transmuted within this golden shield. You can also visualize the shield as an individual shield around you and around each person with you in your life. But the focus now and the priority now is you. As you heal and grow, the ripple of this transformation will be mirrored and reflected in everyone and every person in your life. We are in a safe space, in a sacred space. We are anchored. We are anchored in the heart of Gaia. We are anchored in the heart of the universe. We are connected heart to every being in our life, whether physically or etherically. We are meeting and ascending together. The more you set intention to tap into your spiritual self, to connect to your highest self, the more shinier your shield will become, the more thicker the energy of this shield would become. The more you call in more of your light, the more transformation and spiraling is bound to happen. So you are safe in your shield. Visualize the shield like an egg shape or a sphere shape with very thick layers and layers of golden light that transmute all that's purged out and also protect you from any lower frequency energy from coming in. Around your shield of protection, there are two dragons holding the space, holding this golden egg, awaiting for this avatar to merge. The highest aspect of you is undergoing immense transformation. Allow yourself to be held. Allow yourself to call in the highest aspect, the highest frequency into your being. Calling upon all the fragmented self to come back in alignment, in oneness to you. You are not in this journey alone. Your ancestors, your blood ancestors, your galactic ancestors have paved the way for you to be here today. We pay homage to our family, our ancestors, and we thank all that they had passed on to us. With gratitude, we release the karmic baggage we carry with them. We release it to be transmuted into light so that we are meeting in the highest frequency of love. Today, I tell my parents, my grandparents, and grand-grandparents, 7 generations back, I thank you, I honor you, and I love you. All that of your suffering that has been passed on to me is been transmuted. It doesn't serve me. I release it with compassion. I release you with compassion. In this now, I am calling upon the highest frequency of light and love within my being to manifest myself, my magnificent self, in the highest love and resonance, thus reconnecting to my galactic family. As this now I acknowledge they have paved the way for me to be here. They have encoded my DNA with the wisdom of the stars. I connect with them and I honor this connection today as I am vibrating my highest frequency, as I am healing all my human self, my galactic self, my divine self, my light self are coming forth to lead the way. Heart greetings, beloved. Heart greetings. This journey back will open up portals within you, activation within your DNA. It will make way for more of your karmic baggage to be released, so you can receive more of yourself into this vessel and fulfill that magnificence of your presence here on earth. Blessed to be in this space with you and for you. Blessed with my beloved sisters and brothers of the light who are co-creating this retreat. Today marks our day 1. We have 9 more days to go, and we're ending with a beautiful collective transmission on the 21st, anchoring all the light that we are calling in. If you are ready for the meditation, drop in a heart in the comment. I will give you a minute to anchor so that we can get started. Beautiful, beautiful family. Thank you for being here. Thank you for sharing your light. I'd love to share more of the sacred smoke into the space and a little bit of the light with you. As the sacred smoke call in from all the realms the assistance needed for us in this now. We're gonna call upon our highest activation, calling our galactic family into the space. And as we call in and we tap into these frequencies, they're already present. All it takes a moment of acknowledgement, a moment of readiness, and they fill the space. Thank you, Kirtana. Thank you, Bridget. Thank you, Risha. Thank you for being in this space, holding this space with me and for me. As honestly this morning I fell into a few moments of frustration as I really realized the magnitude of these gatherings, as I realized the magnitude of stepping up to fill a space when when no one is there. And I'm realizing the magnitude and the magnificence of this mission here on earth to hold the space. Thank you, Shivaham. Thank you, Ram, for joining in, and all these hearts that are flooding our space. Thank you. And actually, I just as a last moment of tuning in and deciding to do the live on Facebook directly and on Instagram directly, and because I will be present with my drum and the sound gets a little distorted via Zoom. Thank you, Bridget. Thank you, Ram, for the empowering words. And this morning, when I shared the affirmation of the week, the words that came through was, I am fearless. I want you to tap into your heart, into your lion heart, because when the word I am fearless came to me, I can't get out of my consciousness the Lyrian lion that was shared yesterday by a beautiful being on Facebook, a beautiful lady who does channeling and transmission, Susan Amara. And if you get the chance to check her art out, she's incredible. So she shared this picture of the Lyrian lion, and I have a very strong connection to the lions, to those beautiful white lions, and the words that that lion was speaking through onto me. I am fearless. I am fearless. I am fearless. And this fearless doesn't come from an egoic state. It is humbleness into this journey. It is humbleness into this mission. It's humbling yourself through the experience, through the overwhelming experiences. Yes, and we're in this together. And I'm very grateful for the beautiful drum that found its way through me in Mount Shasta as well. And it's handmade by a beautiful sister, a Native American sister. Fearless. It is an expansion of love. Breathe in through the rhythm of your heart. Breathe in through the rhythm of your heart and connect to that fearlessness within. The fearlessness is an expansion of love. Breathe in, beloved. And as you breathe in, feel your roots of love and light expanding in all direction. Your roots are diving deeper into the earth, and your branches, your hands, your shine, your light is expanding further up to the heavens, to the higher realm. Yes, breathe in to the rhythm of your heart. More of your roots are diving deeper and deeper and deeper, reaching the heart of Gaia in this now, connecting you to the heart of the infinite source of unconditional love, Mother. Wrap your roots around her crystalline heart, and breathe in her nourishment love, calling upon this nourishing love, this nourishment that's needed for us in this now, this grounding nourishment love from Mother Gaia. Breathe it in through your earth gate. As you breathe in more of the unconditional love of Gaia through your earth gate, feel the tingling sensation of this crystalline energy, this diamond energy traveling through the sole of your feet, through your legs, through your hips, into your root chakra, grounding in this now, grounding in this now, grounding in this existence, and grounding in this mission, grounding, anchoring, yes, anchoring. It is the energy that anchors you. It is the energy of love, yes. Anchoring into this energy of love of Gaia, this unconditional love is what you need to reach the heavens, to reach with your expansion to the highest realm, connecting with your highest aspect. In this now, visualize two shoots, two rays shooting out of the sole of your feet, connecting you to your earth star, anchoring you further and further. You're connected to the heart of the earth. You're anchored in the grid of the earth. And that's all you need to fly. Breathe in Gaia's nourishment energy into your sacral and flow with this energy, and allow your body to spiral with this flow. Spiraling inward, allowing life to manifest for you. Allowing life to manifest for you, through you, as you are the creator of your own reality. You will manifest all that you deserve. Fill in Gaia's love in every cell of your body. Breathe it in every cell, in every layer, in every dimension of your lower chakras. Breathe it in into your powerhouse, fanning your fire, fanning your internal fire. Yes, your solar plexus, getting nourished in this now, with this unconditional love of Gaia, tapping into that fearless lion heart within you. That fearless lion heart is fed by your courage, by your strength, by your willingness to go that extra mile with no hesitation. Breathe in that courage. Allow this lion within you to roar and sing the song of deliriums. Hey, way, 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 yeah, 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 no way, yeah, yeah, no, yeah, no, yeah, yeah, no, yeah, 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 no, way, yeah, way, yeah, way, no. I invite you to extend your hands above your head, to feel the portals above your head opening as you're breathing in more nourishment into your heart. Yes. As you're breathing more nourishment, more grounding, your upper chakras are reaching higher, to the higher dimension, to the higher realms. Away, 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 yeah, yeah, you know it, you wanna, yeah, you know, yeah, way, yeah, you know. Feel this calming, nourishing energy in your heart space, spiraling within your heart, filling your heart with joy, with harmony, with peace, with the breath of life. Yes, the breath of life, your connection to your existence. Gaia's energy is traveling all the way into your heart space, and your heart is expanding, and you remember you are the source, you are the love, you are all, you are in union, you are in alignment with your self, with your body, with your mind, with your emotion. And your heart sings the song of the divine, and your heart melts at the altar of the mother, at the altar of your divinity, at the altar of love. I am humbled by this love. I am humbled, offering my heart at the heart of the universe, offering myself to this divine to manifest through me love and light for all who come in my path. in your heart. Expand as your heart is growing, is growing. It's growing bigger. It's growing bigger than your body, than your physical body, than your energy body. It's growing bigger than your room. It's growing bigger than your house. It's expanding beyond to engulf you, your country, to engulf Mother Earth, to engulf, grow, grow, beloved, grow with so much of humbleness and fly high as you ground, as you connect your roots to the heart of the Mother. Extend your hand above your head, reaching the sky, reaching the above. And as you reach high, feel 2 rays of golden lights coming out of the palm of your hands, connecting you to your celestial star 6 feet above your head. And breathe. Breathe as the golden light is flooding. It's flooding through the portal just above your head. Beautiful, beautiful golden light filling your crown chakra, filling every layer and dimension of your chakra system, of your body, filling your every petal. Yes, beloved, beloved kings and queens, wear your crown loud and proud. Your 1,000-petal lotus opening the beautiful golden crown above your head. And our celestial family is rejoicing in this now. They are ready to meet with you. They are ready to connect you with your highest avatar. They are ready to fill you in with the memory of that distant connection we had to the stars. Breathe in that golden light into your 3rd eye. Breathe it in. Fill your pineal gland with this healing light, awakening you to the remembrance of who you are. I am the expression of my own divine true self. My words are the expression of the expansion in love. We're no longer falling in love. We're no longer rising in love. We are expanding in love. Expanding. We are expanding in love. Expand. Feel that connection to the higher realm, to that golden light that's connecting you to the highest aspect of you, your divine self, that I am presence, calling upon that I am presence, that golden energy to flood your heart now. Allow this merging to happen in your heart space, an expansion beyond comprehension, expansion within your auric field, within your chakra system, within every layer and dimension of your physical body, regenerating, healing. Now, I am ready to connect to my highest frequency self, to that highest frequency, that avatar of mine, that aspect of mine that's all galactic, unearthing all that treasure, the immortal treasures I have within through this connection. Breathe into your heart, into your expanded heart. Tehe ere te wene, tehe ere ye te. Tehe ere te wene. Tehe e te wete ere tenne. Te wete te wete te wete te wete. Te wete te wehe ere. Te 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 greetings, beloved. We are here flooding your space. Flooding your space. The highest frequency of photonic light is filling your auric field. We are here flooding your consciousness with remembrance, with triggers to remember who you are. Beloved children, we're loving you unconditionally. We are rejoicing in reconnecting with you through the heart. We are rejoicing to flooding your consciousness with all the wisdom of the stars. We are here for you. We are here, your galactic family, all the light being, the ascended master, the angelic team. We are here in this space, that quantum field beyond time space. We are merging with you. We are merging as you are ready to connect all the fractal self, all that. Breathe in. Beloved children. We are rejoicing. We are rejoicing as the portal opened, and you are receiving more and more of your fractals. More of your light is coming onto you. We are here in the field awaiting you. Ascend. You're ready. Ascend. You're ready. Ascend. You're ready. Ascend. You have declared your readiness, and we hear you. We feel you. We are here. We've lifted the veil. The connections are real. Only through the heart you will feel us. Only through the heart you can connect with us. Only through the heart you will receive our messages, our teaching, our wisdom. Only through the heart you will awaken to your highest frequency self, your avatar, that it's needed for the new earth, that it's needed to merge now, Beloved, we're here, we're ready for you to connect. We're ready for you to connect. Open your heart. Whatever clouding your heart, whatever judgments clouding your heart from receiving us, now is the now. Allow us to transmute all that limitation through our highest frequency photonic light, that it's merging in your consciousness. All limitation to be resolved now. All limitation. As you have gathered here to merge, and we are ready for you. The time is now, beloved. Through your heart, a portal is opening. Through your heart, as a portal is opening, and you are the fearless self is merging now. Leap into that portal. It's a portal of light, silverish, bluish, royal blue. That metallic blue. Leap into it, jump through it, walk through it, fly through it, swim through it, whatever works for you and your imagination, as your imagination is the door to your consciousness. And you are now in the field. You could be flying, swimming, walking, in that infinite space. Tehe erewene, tehe erewene. You're among the galaxies and the stars and the asteroids. You are among our light ships. We are in the field awaiting you. We are your family. You find us. You find us. We are here everywhere. The Arcturian Council of Light with their beautiful presence, with their beautiful self awaiting. My beloved Andromedan family is here as well. Oh, our beloved Pleiadians, Syrians, Lyrians, all the Council of Light, High Commandant Ashtar, all the Ascended Masters, Lord Sananda, Lady Nada, Mother Mary, as we are ready to embody more of ourselves, more of the highest frequency self, in this now, we are assisted. We are there, we are in that field. Swim, beloved. Leap, jump into whichever place, space, ship that's calling your heart, whichever family that's calling your heart. You are home, beloved. You are home among the stars. You are home with your family, as this meeting is gonna ignite the dormant DNA within you, activating you further and further, awakening that light within you to connect with your family. Yes, telepathy and heart resonance are your gifts now. Telepathy and heart resonance is your gift, my beloved children. We are rejoicing and we are here in the space. You were blessed to be on earth, to live this human experience and experience through all these incarnations, going through all these yugs, to experience the shift from the Kali Yuga into the Dwapar Yuga, to just leap into this beautiful Aquarius age that's upon us. You and us, we are one, and as we come in oneness, we are the lights. We are the love. Remember in your heart who you are. Connect in your heart for who you are. Connect through your heart. Allow us to untangle all those karmic baggages you're carrying. And as you remember us, and as we connect more and more with you, you deserve this connection. You deserve your human presence. You deserve the abundance you are. You deserve the love you're embodying. And as you awaken to who you are, and as you remember who you are, those moments of great remembrance are a gift to you. I can't help but my tears are flooding. My heart is expanding to feel you, beloved ones, to feel you connecting, to feel you beyond. You've built a connection, you've met us, you know who we are. Stay for as long as you need to receive your message for now, for this now. You can come and connect as this connection is built for the forever, for every now, that you tap into your remembrance. And whenever you are ready for our wisdom, we are here to bask all these blessings onto you. You deserve it. You deserve it. You deserve it, beloved. Receive, receive, receive us, receive us, receive us. You are ready. And we are in your heart now. Miracle will start happening within your physical body. Regeneration will start happening within your physical body. Ailment will be healed through this connection to your higher self. Youth, health, beauty are upon you as you connect more and more and more to your light. You are this abundance that you've been craving and looking for. The abundance is you, manifested in every facet of your life as you deserve, you deserve, you deserve. And we love you unconditionally. We love you unconditionally. And we greet you with love. We greet you with respect. And we are happy with this connection. We are happy to meet you again. As you have met your family, received the initiation and the activation, this powerful transmission in every cell and every strand of your DNA, as you are ready with the wisdom that's shared with you to carry on in this journey, now you can swim, you can jump, you can fly back through that portal into this now, into this timeline, into this reality, to merge back in your physical body with whatever wisdom, energy you brought along with you. It will serve you for this now and all the nows to come. Take a very deep breath, and the breath will anchor you in this moment, in this body, in this physicality, in this space. You can roll your neck side to side very gently. You can wiggle your fingers and your toes. You can expand your hands overhead, stretch and stretch. You can open your hands wide to feel into this expansion of love and hug yourself. Tap yourself on the shoulder for being here, for showing up. And eyes are the last to open. Eyes are the last to open. And if the tears are flowing, honor them, because these are tears of joy. Oh, I couldn't contain myself. I thank you for being here in the space and journeying together. I thank my drum. I thank all the family that joined me in this moment. And I am here to receive your questions, your comments, even your tears. And leave your comments in the comments below, and I would love to read them and feel into your experience. And beloved, drink a lot of water to allow these new codes and activations and frequency to really transmute all that it's purging. As much of energy work we are doing now, we are also purging a lot of the a lower frequency energy that doesn't serve us, a lot of remembrance, also a lot of lineage, family lineage clearing. Everything is coming to the surface, relationships, family, loss, grief, everything is coming. Just allow it, allow it, allow it. Feel into your heart. Feel into your heart. I'd love to hear from you. Actually, we have around 7 minutes. Otherwise, Instagram will close the session. So in those 7 minutes, I am here for you. If you'd like to share something, feel free, please, to share it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Bridget, Risha, for being here. And Facebook family, you can tap into these replays anytime later with the same energy as being protected in our space. I'm so blessed with being here with you. Also, I will share the replay on. Thank you for all these hearts. I will share the replay on YouTube. I think I need a lot of water to anchor. It always takes me, I don't want to say by surprise, but it humbles me every time where the journey goes beyond my comprehension or even my understanding of it, or how or where it's going and leading. Just being with it, it's the greatest blessing. It's the greatest blessing. Please share your experiences, as these times are so powerful. We're here for you, holding space with you. And I'm really emotional, so excuse that. Excuse me. So you reach out. Our second episode, our session for tonight at 8:08 India time. And hopefully Elavena and Kabayel will be able to join us, as they were on the road and couldn't make it to be on time for the sessions. Otherwise, the universe will always have a plan. So we'll see you at 8:08, basking into the abundance of the family of light and love, and basking into abundance of this co-creation. So much love to you, and thank you, thank you, thank you.